Hey everyone, this is Brandon Bealer coming at you from CCR, and no, I am not referring to Creedence Clearwater Revival, the legendary band. Hashtag not that CCR. Real quick, I am with Circle Computer Resources based out of Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We partner with small and medium-sized businesses in the corridor area to mainly help maximize profitability through utilizing technology. Basically, what I'm going to be doing is this is my first video, and moving forward, I'm going to be doing one video per week that mainly is going to be discussing topics, news, trends, daily themes, or things I see that's relatable to managed IT in the business world. So be on the lookout for those. They'll become once every week. I do really quick have to give a quick shout out to my colleague Kyle Steele. He's the one who inspired me to put myself out there and start doing these videos. So thank you again, Kyle. If any of you are interested, check out his 1 Minute Wednesday videos if you haven't already on LinkedIn. Feel free also to comment and leave any feedback below. Please be gentle, as this is my first one. But that's going to be it for this week. I just wanted to do a quick introduction. Until next week, this is Brandon Bealer with CCR. Hashtag not that CCR. Thank you.